Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I do makeup, skincare and sometimes hair on this channel. Today I am going to review a serum that is Minimalist 2% retinoid serum. This is the outer packaging and this is the inner packaging, the new inner packaging. Okay. So let me tell you what retinol is at first. Just I am briefing it up. You will get the details of this ingredient in my previous Dot and Key retinol serum review. I will link that in the below description box. Retinol is a synthetic derivative of vitamin A and it is known as a gold standard ingredient which is supposed to reverse the signs of aging, and that is why we mainly use retinol. And we know that at least generally before 30 we do not experience the signs of aging, so we do not need to use retinol before we are 30 because we do not have to reverse the aging at that point. We just need to prevent aging. So for that vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and other ceramide serums will be more than enough. So I will suggest you to use this kind of serums after you are 30. I have bought this for my mom and she is using this almost for 2 or even 3 months because she has already gone through this previous bottle. This is the previous bottle and she has gone through it just fully, and then this is the new one she is using. This is a newer packaging with a black bottle and black cap, and I'm really happy that they have changed their bottle to a black one because retinol reacts with light. So that's a good packaging. And this is the outer packaging, cardboard packaging, just as normal like what Minimalist does. Now let's talk about the serum. I think this serum has worked even better than the Dot and Key one because my mom had some moles on these parts and I also have one, but her mole was becoming enlarged and all. After using this serum, okay, let me tell you, doctor told her that she will need a laser treatment to treat those moles and all, but after using this retinol serum, her moles has completely gone. Not only that, her fine lines and everything has repaired a bit, to be honest. And I really like, and that is why I have purchased the second bottle for her and she is using it. Now let me show you. This has a dropper and this is the consistency. Okay, a bit creamy, and the consistency is a bit creamy and thick. Okay, let me show you. And it gets absorbed very quickly. Okay. Yeah. So this is the consistency. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you about the price. You will get a normal quantity like 30 ml of this serum for rupees 6.99, and I did not get any discount on that when I bought it from Minimalist website, or this time I purchased it from Nykaa. They are also available in Nykaa right now and you won't get any discount. Now let me discuss the precautions you should take while using a retinol. Retinol may dry out your skin sometimes. That is why I will recommend you to use a thick moisturizer after you are using retinol, especially if you are using it in winter or you are going to sleep in AC. Please use a thick moisturizer. I will recommend you to use retinol at night, and when you are going to sun in the morning, please use sunscreen with SPF above 50. Okay, because sunscreen is really important when you are using any kind of active ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, etc. Every skin type, like this is a bit thick, but I think every skin type can use this serum. Especially if you have dry skin, you will love this formulation because it is a bit thick. And if you are from oily skin type, I will ask you to try and test whether it works, because it is thick but it gets absorbed really quick. As you can see, my hand, there is no stickiness, nothing, just it is completely absorbed. So I think every skin type can use this. It is color free and fragrance free. There is no fragrance, and the color is, you have seen, it is a bit thick moisturizer kind of a serum. Retinol is a very strong ingredient, and that is why it may give you some redness, some itchiness, or sometimes some breakouts when you are using it for the first time. But don't be afraid, just keep on using it. It will go with time. And not only that, if you are using it for the first time, I will recommend you to use a very small quantity for once or twice a week, and then when your skin starts adjusting with the new ingredient, you can increase the quantity or the frequency of use. Start with a very small percentage, and then you may increase the quantity of or the percentage of the retinol in your serum. So I will highly recommend this serum from Minimalist, and I will recommend this even over the Dot & Key one. I really liked it, how it worked on my mom's skin. I didn't use that. So yeah, that's all I had to tell you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.